Have you ever seen a machine slice through a giant tree in seconds? Get ready, it's happening.
And always keep your body away from the splitting zone. Good models now come with foot pedals, dual hand controls and automatic retraction, but safety still starts with the operator. In terms of performance, these machines can handle hardwoods like oak, maple and eucalyptus with no problem. Even knotty twisted logs are no match for a sharp wedge and 3000 psi of hydraulic pressure. The best part, minimal maintenance, no chains, no spinning parts, just oil, steel and torque. Perfect for small yards, firewood businesses or mobile log yards. The piston splitter remains one of the most efficient, compact and deadly tools in wood prep. Use it right and it saves hours of labor. Use it wrong and you might not walk away. Hydraulic doesn't mean slow, it means serious. Oh my God. Gee, I can hear the phone. Oh, he done a story. Sneller brings 275 horses to the fight. Mounted on an excavator, this stump grinder doesn't cut, it vaporizes. What once took hours is now mulch in minutes. Precision meets brute force. Got stubborn stumps? This machine eats them for breakfast. The self-propelled PTH 1400 to 1000 LLROAD Petzolato wood chipper, powered by a highly potent 700 horsepower Volvo engine, is currently undergoing operational testing. As the engine roars to life, a thunderous growl echoes through the testing forest, announcing the unparalleled power of this machine. Immediately, the large alloy steel drum begins to spin at extreme speeds, its sharp blades slicing through massive logs, crushing them into uniformly sized chips. The agile self-propelled arm precisely positions each log directly into the drum's core without a moment's hesitation. The machine's operating sound is intense. The engine's roar combines with the steel cutting wood and the cascading chips, creating a distinctive and powerful industrial symphony. The ground lightly trembles beneath the machine's heavy weight as its tracks move confidently over uneven terrain. The chipped wood fragments are ejected with a strong blast from the exhaust chute, forming a fine cloud of golden brown dust around the machine, an impressive demonstration of its capacity to handle large and hard wood. The testing process runs smoothly, proving the superior stability and efficiency of the PTH 1400 to 1000 ALLRO80. When single shot fuel briquettes. Det blåser den här också. Och nog var. Go forward. Taking down a monster stump. First, the operator carves a trench like a surgeon, exposing every root. Then comes the brute force. The excavator tears through those thick underground arms like tearing paper. When roots lose grip, the whole stump pops like a cork. That's how pros do it. The Vermeer WC2300XL hoe tree chipper operates like a mechanical warrior on the edge of a wooded area near a suburban home. Massive tree trunks and tangled branches, seemingly left behind after a storm, have been gathered and are now lined up along the machine's in-feed conveyor. The long conveyor belt moves steadily, its rollers turning rhythmically as it pulls the dense, branch-laden trees forward. Each tree, with knotted limbs stretching in all directions, glides smoothly as if floating along a mechanical river. As the tangled mass nears the chipper's mouth, the air grows tense. The machine halts, then suddenly roars as the internal drum spins up. Sharp blades scream to life, tearing through thick wood and foliage alike. The crunching, shredding, and ripping sounds echo across the area as branches are instantly reduced to fine wood chips. From the rear discharge chute, a thick stream of wood mulch bursts outward, piling up neatly into a corner clearing, ready for collection or reuse. Within minutes, what was once a chaotic pile of fallen trees and tangled brush is now an orderly, clean space. The WC2300XL has done its job, swift, controlled, and powerful, restoring safety